It's because idea of pointers is required in this. Okay, now you complete your attendance. Okay, so you give your attendance.
So when is assignment 7 due?
That is for 1 week, within the next week.
Okay.
Because
So actually we have 2 tests and like 7 more assignments due already. So can you increase the deadline?
okay, I'm increasing it. Right.
Thank you, sir.
That is 10 days. 10 days at record because I'm giving 20 marks there. So 10 days, I think that will be fine for you. And right now, what is going on in your theoretical classes? Structure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So another assignment on structure and string, that is covered, na? String that has been covered.
Yes.
Okay, so another assignment. So let us finalize another assignment from string, another from structure, and file. Okay, so two to three more assignments we'll do. So in that case, we can extend. You are correct. And you know, from 21st, classes will be in offline mode. You know that, na?
So is it sure? Is it 100% sure?
Yes. From 21st.
So, but like a circular came in which a circular was uploaded on a website which says the hostel facility is not up to the mark yet.
Okay, then I need to check.
And sir, we have got no information regarding hostel.
Okay.
That is our doubt.
Okay. So the next lab, I will confirm you. Next lab.
So actually, the thing is, we have to book tickets as the prices are increasing very fast, and they're getting booked out because of festive season. Like it is just 2 days after Holi, so we need confirmation. Like, should we come or not?
The mail to your CR, I think, from your. But okay, before that, let me ask our. Okay, let me edit the date. Okay, then I will ask our HOD and then intimate you if any information. Right now, actually, I'm in the institute taking class from there. Okay, so it should be not 9th, but let us make it 13th. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us make it 13th. Then it will be more than 10 days. Okay, more than 10 days. 13th. Okay. And now you give attendance in the chat box. And first, positive integer would write a function to print the prime factor of the number. Okay, prime factors, positive integer. Say for example 9. So you have to print its prime factors. So 3. 3 is will be the answer for that particular case. Say it is say 35, then 5, 7 prime factors, the factors that are prime. Okay, so any completed this one, last one? Anyone from you?
Yes.
Okay, so 25 you have completed, na? MMB
Yes,
25.
sir, yes.
Okay, 25, and then Computer science 67.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first MAB 025. So you share your screen, the first one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And those who have not given attendance, you complete your attendance in the chat box. Okay. You share your screen. After checking this one, I will just try to find out some answer that you asked me. Okay.
Yes, sir. Actually, we not been
Okay. Okay. Okay.
communicated
Okay.
very much from the college.
Okay. Now you share. I stopped sharing.
Okay, sir.
Mhm. So the next assignment will be on string. Okay. So that is final. I will
Sir, assignment 8. Hello, sir.
Assignment. Yes, yes. Next assignment. Assignment 8. That will be on string. Okay, string. Actually, string in C a backslash 0. So character array with null character at the end. Backslash 0
Is it visible, sir?
and some function. Your screen is not
Yes.
visible. You just you share your screen. Okay, some student is calling. Okay, you wait on. আচ্ছা আচ্ছা হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ও দেখা Okay, so connection চলে গেল Okay, now
Is it visible,
okay,
sir?
it's fine. Yes, yes, visible. Now you okay, okay. Let me check, huh? Let me check.
Yes, sir.
Prime factors, void prime factors. So, first of all, one thing you have written your function at the beginning of your program. I mean, just before main. So, yes, yes. And if we say go for writing the function after main, then you have to write prototype. So you know how to write prototype?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Let me check the program. White prime factors. Number greater than 1. Count plus plus. number greater than 1. So while number modulo, so initially you are accepting the number through keyboard. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Then number modulo count equals to 0, printf percentage count. Okay. Count equals to count by number by count. Okay, then prime factors. You call the function prime factor. So the idea here is you are printing that count if it is the one thing how you are checking that it is a prime one. So it is correct that the number modulo count equals to.
Sir, can I run, sir?
Yes, you run, but you have to explain how you are checking that the number is, I mean, the factor is prime or not. Say count equals to, say, for example, 4 in some particular step. Say it is 4. Okay, so you run the program. I will just then run the program. Two, 3.
2, 2, 2, 3.
3. Okay, then that's why you are dividing the number. Just dividing the number. Number equals
Yes.
to percentage. Okay. Then any other check for another I mean integer.
Yes, sir.
Okay, say 36, then 36. That means you are printing. That's why I just was checking that you are printing multiple times. The 2 is a
Yes.
prime factor, fine, but you are printing 2 twice because you have written the program in that way. Okay, I got. Okay, that is the answer, correct. But you try to print once. Okay, the 2 once, 3 once.
Sir, I think he has written the prime factorization of the number. 2 into 2, something
Yes,
like that.
Yes.
I have written.
I asked that. I got that
factors.
point. So that's why I was checking. But I asked to print only the prime factors. Okay, I got his question. So his program, but that's why I was taking time. Okay, you stop sharing and ask another student. Okay, the next student. Who is next? Sovik. Okay, Sovik, you share your screen. Sovik,
Sir,
your
have
roll
you
number.
noted my roll number, sir?
Yes. Sovik 67 from computer science. Okay, 67 from computer science. So I want to check your program first. Okay. Int number prime num. So you have written prototype int prime int x. Okay. Equals to 2 ls the next a plus plus if the x equals to x by a minus minus. Okay, you run the program. And okay, so in the similar way you have written the program, what he has done. Okay. Any other student? Any other, say, 61 students are present now. Any other? You have already. What's your name? Devajyoti Banerjee. Okay, Devajyoti, you share your screen. Your roll number AMB027. Applied Mechanics. Okay, okay, you share your screen. Devajyoti, you are using two devices, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Devajyoti, you share your screen.
Sir, it's not happening.
It's not okay. In that case,
So wait
go
a minute.
for okay, okay.
Sir, is it
Rakesh Kumar raised hand. Okay, I will come to you next. Okay.
sir, is it visible?
Yes, yes, yes. That is okay. I got C++ and C equals to C plus C equals to 2. Now you run the program. I checked your program.
Yes, sir. Tell me input.
So you 36. You give 36. 36 2 3. Okay. So this one should be the output. Okay. I just require these to 36. Okay, 2 and 3 are its prime factors. Okay, you try to do that like this one. Another say 72. You give 72. Yes, this one. Okay, all of you see what Devajyoti has shared. You see, whatever may be the program. So the output should be like this. So what currently, actually, that was in my mind. Okay. So not like that's 2 3 times, 3 3 times, 4 times, like this. Not like that. Like this. Prime factors are 2 and 3. Okay. So no need of sharing your screen for question number 1. Now for question number 2. Let me check. What is the? Okay, you withdraw your screen.
Okay, sir.
Write a function which receives a float and an integer from main, finds the product of these two and returns the product, which is okay. The second one, you require the idea of pointers. Okay, you have to pass two addresses in the when you call function, you have to pass two addresses, and with the help of these addresses, you have to
So
find out the
without pointers, it is also working.
Okay, how you are printing? I told that. So you see the find the product of these two and return the product. Okay, okay, only the return the product which is printed through main. Okay, so only the product is to be returned. Huh?
Yes.
Okay, okay, the one value is to be returned. Then okay, okay, okay. But in some question I have mentioned that write a function in C that factorial give me. Okay, you let me check. Yes, this one, question number 6, that has to be done with the help of pointers. Okay, so program number 2 in that case is very simple. So write a function, retrieve integers, find the product of these two numbers and return the product, which is okay. One value is to be returned. So you share your screen.
Sir, can I share?
Yes, yes, Rakesh, you raised the hand, na?
Yes.
Yes, yes. This one is very simple. You run the program. Run the program. So any other from you who want to just share screen and show the output for this one?
Sir, can I?
Okay, you have shared many times. Okay, so the new one.
Sir, can I stop sharing?
Okay, let me check. But an integer and a float, no? Okay, I
Yes,
mentioned
sir.
that. No? So where are the integer are s. So the values, what values you have taken?
So 23
23.
and 64.67.64.
Return p. Okay, so you see that must be float. All of you see that must be float. Return p. So p must be float and return type must be float because this one is float. Na? Okay, you are very good. Okay, I think all of you are doing very good. Okay, okay, you withdraw your screen and another student. Any
Yes.
other student? So you are from electrical engineering, na, Rakesh?
Yes, sir. EEB 051.
05. Okay, I think this is too easy for you.
Yes.
Now, any other? Any other? Otherwise, I will just ask to share. If you don't want to share, then civil engineering 82. Muhammad Tariq. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Sharing, sir.
Have you got? Okay, you share.
Yes, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. So your function, where is your function? Float product, float x, float y return. Okay. Okay, return x dot y. So you are accepting the values from main.
Yes, sir.
Percentage, return x dot y. You run the program. Okay. 125 into 125 0. Okay, okay, okay. I think we have to go for to the next program. This one is so you
Sir, can
stop
I
your.
share number 3?
Stop, sir.
Sir, can I
Okay,
show
sir.
number 3?
So who wants to say?
Sir, I.
Sir, I.
Can I share, sir?
Okay. Abrodeep, Abrodeep and
Can I share?
Sir, I want to EPB03.
Navneet. Abrodeep, Navneet, and then
Manas.
Manas. So three. Abrodeep. So one by one. First Abrodeep, then Navneet, then Manas. So Navneet, Abrodeep, you have shared in earlier cases also. Okay, okay. But right now, okay. Navneet, Abrodeep, and then Manas. Okay, let me check the program. Write a function in C that will find the factorial of it. Okay, that is very simple. Okay, okay. Whatever it may be, you share your screen. Navneet, you share your screen.
1 minute.
Students from computer science, they are not responding. They are not responding. I think they are thinking, oh, these are very simple programs. Why should we share our screen? But I am noting down. Okay, the roll numbers.
Sir,
EB05.
there is a problem.
Okay, in that case, so you try. After Abrodeep, you will share your screen. Okay, Abrodeep, you share your screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, Navneet is sharing.
Navneet is sharing.
Sir,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, okay. Let me check. Let me check. Factorial person I. This is correct. Correct. But one suggestion from my end. You make factorial declare it as long int. Okay, long int, because after
Yes.
say after 10 or 10, 12, it will be out of the range of the integers. So I think it should be declared as long int, that factorial. But okay, the
Okay, sir.
answer is correct. So you run the program.
So we have to do this using function, as in quotient is not mentioned.
No, everything, see the topic. Okay, everything you have to.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it is mentioned in write a function in C that will find the factorial of a given number. You check the assignment. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Uh, okay. You stop sharing. Then
Okay, sir.
Abhradip, Abhradip,
Yes, sir.
Abhradip is from electronics, na?
Yes, sir. Electronics 40.
Electronics, cell number 40. Okay. Abhradip, you share yours.
So you mark my roll number.
So is it visible?
Yes. Navneet, I have done that.
Sir, is it visible?
Okay.
Yes. Let me check. If n less than equal to 0, return 1. So you just make it, if n equals to 0, then return 1.
Okay.
No other. So -1 minus negative numbers will not be accepted.
Yes, sir.
Equal to 0. You use only that condition. Then return 1 factorial 0. N into factorial. You have used the recursive version of
Yes, sir.
factorial.
Yes, sir.
Recursive. Okay, very good. In the letters in the next some other program, it is mentioned that you do it recursively. So I suggest you at least once at the beginning you do it iteratively. Okay, your iterative function. I've been
Okay,
using
sir.
for loop. And
Okay.
then you do it, because the same question is there at the end. Okay, you run the program. Very good. Okay, run the program. Okay, you give some another number, say you know that n equals to 0, we call that as exit path. Okay, exit path, the terminating condition, we call that as exit path, base condition.
Okay, sir.
Another number, say 7 120 into 6.
Into 7.
It is okay. It should be okay. You stop your share. You withdraw your screen.
Okay,
Stop
sir.
sharing.
Sir, actually, I have done it the normal way. I didn't use function. Can I show you after 10 to 15 minutes?
So you have done using. I
Normal,
mean,
sir, the normal way. I didn't use
okay.
function.
So you just do it, but in some other program, I will ask you. So not
Okay.
for this one. So I think this should not be shared by any other student. Now I will go for checking regarding your hostels. Okay. Now write a function in C. The fourth one
So
is write a
before that,
function.
can you discuss 7th and 10th question of previous assignment?
Yes. We will discuss. Now write a function in C that will find the GCD of two numbers. Write a function in C. Accept the number of lines to be printed for the Pascal's triangle. Okay, so you try to do up to 2 questions you attempt, the next 2 questions. And you see the 6th one is you have to use pointers. If you just see, call the function from main and print the values. So 2 values. So you have to swap the 2 values. I mean the contents of 2 variables, and you have to print that. How you print that? With the help of main. That function, you have to pass the address of these 2 numbers to that function, and you have to print from main. Okay, so question number 6, you have to use pointers, the concept of pointers. Okay, but question number 4 and 5, you try to complete 4 and 5. So we'll meet after, say, we once again meet at 3:47, so 45 minutes, half an hour, 4:30. Okay, 4:30 we will meet once again, 4:30, and then we just check what you have done, and I will discuss the remaining questions that are in your previous assignment. Okay, okay, so 4:30 is enough, I think so, because these Pascal triangles you need to think.
Okay, sir.
Mhm. You know that a plus b whole to the power 0, that is equals to a plus b. I mean the coefficients are 1 1. Then a plus b whole to the power 1 equals to a plus b. That means coefficients are whole to the power 0 equals to 1. That means that is single one. Then 1 1. Then a square plus twice ab plus b square. That means 1 in 1, then 2, then 1. Then a plus b whole cube. 1 3 3 1. That means NCR. You have to evaluate NCR and you have to print. That will give you the Pascal triangle. Okay, so you try these two. Otherwise, I will help. Okay, so we will come back at 4:30. 4:30. Now you just write these two programs. Then half of the assignments will be done. Then you will get time to write the more 5 throughout this week. Okay. Okay, so you try to complete it at 4:30. Once again, I will join.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so mm, so the classes will be in offline mode for all the semester as per the notice. You see, I have checked. I also discussed with our HOD regarding your cases. No such, I mean, that the clear information is available to us also in the departmental level. But as per your notification, I just checked that there. So you also know. So you just check regarding your notification. Check the thing 3 to the DSWINT 22 notice of say 20th February 2020. Or in case of any confusion, you write mail to
Sir, you are
Dean Student
lagging. We
Welfare.
can't hear you properly.
Sir, you are lagging.
Today I'm in the institute.
Sir, we
Sir,
can't
sir,
hear
your
anything.
connection is little bit disturbed.
That is. Let me check. Let me check. Okay, now am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
well,
Yes,
this is
sir.
the problem in the. So I am just trying with another IIESTS Wi-Fi. So that will be available to you all when you join here in the institute. So I am trying this now. So I was using another Wi-Fi departmental. Now I am using IIESTS. Okay.
Sir, just
Sir,
a
can you
question.
please repeat, sir, what you
Is
said?
there Wi-Fi in hostels?
Wi-Fi in hostels. So that is there. Okay. But
Okay, sir.
right now I don't know what is the status of that. Right now, what is happening here? Some of the PhD students reported me that. So they are also facing problem regarding Wi-Fi in the institute. In earlier cases, the previous classes that I took from my home, and then it was fine. But right now, here I am facing problem that Wi-Fi connections. Okay, okay. So what I was telling. So have you just gone through this notice? You just check this. Maybe for your case, you will be allowed to come into the institute just before your final exam. It may be the case. Okay, so maybe, but it is not sure. I am not sure about that, but maybe you will be allowed to come in your institute just before your exam, and in that case you are to join. So other students will join first, and the first year students will join after 1 or 2 weeks after the second year students. So that may be the reason you are not getting any communication. But you see, so you go through this notice, you see here the all you see the for hostel accommodation notice number, this you can check this one. Okay, Dean Student Welfare. I think you can write mail to Dean Student Welfare. So you to get some, or chief warden, Professor Sudipto Mukhopadhyay of civil engineering. He is the chief warden, Professor Sudipto Mukhopadhyay. You just check our department. I mean, better let us check this one on the 20th February. What was the notice on 20th February? This one, notice regarding online cultural program. This one, reopening the institute hostel for the student. And I gone through that. No such information is there. You see.
Hello, sir.
For the yes.
Sir, for the hostel, will there be any other form to fill up and
Yes,
submit?
yes. That will be there. Hostel accommodation form. So that was initially not given to you. You see that this is for the 4th, 6th, 8th, and 10th semester students. but not for the first semester students. You see, the students not staying in the hostel may visit the respective departments. So you are free to come here, but that will be of, I think you wait. So that will come as per what I discussed with others, that I cannot disclose everything, but I think as per my, I mean, what I get from others, that the first is up to second year they will join the hostel first, and then after that first year student will join
Okay,
after
sir.
1 or 2 week. 1 or 2 week. That's why you see the no, that is not mentioned here. So you don't need to think. So you will get time to buy your ticket. Everything will be intimated in due course of time. That is sure. Okay. And at least 1 week after the other students, you have to join a hostel. And in case you want to know further, then you can write mail
Is
to the
there any
institute.
chance of exam postponement? As
Exam with final exam.
this, yes, mid semester.
Mid sem
No,
you
sir, final
have
semester.
already, mid sem you already given. Mid sem.
Sir, he means
Sorry,
end
end
sem.
semester,
End sem.
end semester.
It's no chance that, no chance of that will be offline mode. That's your,
No, sir,
that
will
is
it be
your,
any
that
postponement
example.
chance? Because if 21st it is opening, sir, those who are going to hostel and also only 10 days hostel adjust and all, it will in that moment to study and all, it will like it will be difficult, right, sir, for us.
Okay, I know that, but so maybe, but what I'm just getting, join the institute, and
Okay,
then
sir.
your exam will be started.
Sir, so should we book tickets? Like we have to book it as soon as possible because since last 3 days the price
I
has been
intimated
increased
that.
by 1,000.
I know that, but that's why I'm telling you, you keep watching the website. Within 2 days or in the beginning of the next week, you will get that notice. But what I'm telling to you, you will be joined. I mean, you will join the institute at least 1 week after the second year students. Okay, and maybe it may be 14 days, 2 weeks. In that case, you will not get more days to stay here and adjust here just before your exam. So 5 to 6 days, maybe you will be able to stay here, and then your exam will be started. Right now, that is as far as I know. Okay. Okay, but you just take preparation as per that accordingly. So you will not get more days before your exam. Exam in that
Okay.
sense that you will not be able to stay here. Okay. Now regarding that fourth assignment, who has completed the fourth one?
Sir, can I share?
Who has? Yes, you share. So in case I will stop sharing. I will stop sharing. Okay, what's your name?
Hamsa Tejaswini, sir.
Oh, you shared many times as per my note.
Sir, can I share?
No,
Oh,
sir, I
yes.
never.
Okay, no, you have shared.
Sir, can I share?
Can I share, sir?
Manas, I had to share.
Can I share?
Sir, can I?
Okay. I will ask one by one. First, let her share. Okay. So Tejaswini, you share. Then Manas. Then Dibba. Okay, I will come to you one by one. Then 56. Shreyas, I will come to you later. Okay, Shreyas.
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay.
Sir, can I share?
No. That girl already shared. You see, Tejaswini.
No, after this.
Okay. Let me check first what she has done. GCD and GCD have two numbers. Next one, you run the program. Run the program. Tejaswini, you run the program. Okay, am I audible?
Yes,
Shreyas?
sir. 1 minute. I'm sharing it.
Oh,
1 minute.
okay. You just.
Sir, the input.
So you give two inputs. So say for example, 15 and okay 36, 15 and say 45, 15, 45. Okay, then another input say 7 and 9. Okay. So now the next. So your roll number I need to note down. For question this one is the fourth question, na? Fourth question. Okay, fourth question. Roll number CSB Computer Science 69. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now next.
Sir,
Okay, Manos from Electronics 38 ETB 038. Okay, noted. Now you share your screen. Then Dibba, the next after that Dibba will share her screen. Okay, Manos, you do it quickly. Yes. Let me check what you have done. Where is the function? Function GCD equals to 1. GCD into modular cycles to 0. Oh, you have used this logic. Okay, now you use the same input and run the program. 36 and sorry, 15 and 45. 15 and 45. 45. Now 7 and 9. 7 and 9. Okay. Okay, 7 and 9. GCT of 7 and 9. 1. Okay. Okay, next you close your stop sharing. Stop sharing. Then Dibba. Okay, Dibba, you share your screen. Sorry,
Yes.
Dibbojyoti. Dibbojyoti.
Yeah.
Okay, not Dibba. Okay, Dibbojyoti Samarth.
The ones we are looking for should be here in this link.
Sir, which one?
Yes. Let me check. Main white. So, will you explain a little bit what you have done?
Yes, sir. Sir, this
So
is
this one is for Pascal strangle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You you just explain what you have done.
So, sir, Pascal triangle is used for coefficient finding the coefficients of binomial, polynomial. So, the logic is first of all we print the blank spaces. So we know that. Let's just say I typed in five lines of Pascal triangle. Then we have to first of all print 4 spaces, blank spaces.
Yes.
In
So
first line,
that is
then
very
3.
clear. You got for the next
that,
for loop.
Sir,
This one is clear. Huh?
Yes. So for second one, I have used a formula for this one, and for one, then sir, when I and j is same, I mean 0. We have used one cause if used in here, then the value actually
Okay,
remains
this
same.
formula you have this formula exists. Okay, I got you. But I suggested you to call the factorial. So maybe you can write a function factorial, and you can call that to find out the. Okay. So that is this one will work. I know that, but I just ask you to write a function factorial, and you know NCR. The
Yes,
NCR
sir.
is to
Yes.
be evaluated, so that can also be done. But this formula is correct one. I know that. But one thing is to be avoided: the power of 11. Okay, 11 to the power 0, 11 to the power 1. So you must not. I'm telling you, all of you, you must not use that formula 11 to the power. Uh, I mean, I, that must not be used. Okay, you run the program. You run the
Yes.
program. So anyone from you have used that
Sir, I can
NCR?
show.
Okay,
Sir, I
then
have
I will
used
come to you.
NCR.
So I have used NCR.
Okay, Manos. So Manos, I will come to. So Manos, you have shown now the previous one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no, so not
Sir,
you.
I can.
Okay, then electronics 53. Electronics 53 will show
So
up.
should I stop?
Yes, you stop. Stop.
Okay.
Sir,
Your
I
roll
can.
number. Your roll number IT 54, na?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now electrical 53.
Yes,
Priyangshu.
sir. Yes.
Priyangshu, you already shared in many earlier cases, but right now you share. The Biprodeep also shared in earlier days.
Sir,
I want some.
I have.
Let me check. Yes. This one. I am just looking for this one. Okay. So all of you just see. He tried to find out NCR, factorial I by factorial j into factorial j minus I minus j, where I and j are as per. Okay, this one. I was looking for this one. Okay, very good. You run the program. Run the program. The Pascal triangle will not
Yes,
be
sir.
in proper shape after some iterations. Okay.
Sir, the
Okay, you
line.
run. Five. Okay, one, two, three. Very good. So from this program, you will be able to generate, say, a plus b whole to the power n, where n is the line number. Very simple. Okay, you stop sharing. Then ITB 062, ITB 062.
Yes,
The
sir.
same one. You saw
Yes,
that
sir.
this one.
Okay.
Before.
Can I share the screen, sir?
Yes. You share. The Shreyas today I will not come to you. Okay.
Okay, sir. No issues.
Okay.
Yes, sir. This one.
Let me check what you have done. NCR. Yes, you have written NCR. NCR. Show me the code for NCR. Factorial I equals to I into factorial I minus 1. You are using array, na?
Yes, sir.
Factorial I minus 1. Long it. You just move the screen little bit up.
It's not going anymore up.
So in that case you hide.
Yes.
Yes. Return coefficient. Long int. Long int. LL D. Yes. So you run the program. Okay. Very good.
Yes.
Very good.
Okay.
You run the program. You are from IT. Very good students are there in this batch. Batch number 5. Many students are sharing from their own end. Generally, okay, you stop sharing. What we have to look for the students. At this time, I'm very happy that you are sharing your screen yourself. Okay, very good. Now there's some confusions that you have. I need to address that in your previous assignment. So someone of you
Hello, sir.
will share
Hello,
the
sir.
screen. Yes, Subhankar.
Sir, I do the fourth number program. No, sorry, sir. The Pascal triangle, but it's showing different result. Can you please check my code?
Okay, you shared your screen.
Yes, sir.
So Priyangshu, you check what mistake he has done. So all of you can check parallelly. So many students will check, and who can find out the problem fast. So that may be another another way of checking your programming capability. Okay, you said.
Can you see my?
So you click on that particular window. It is not coming to us.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Just. Interesting. So now
We have now it is coming. It is not. Yes, it is coming. We have one server of 1.5 crore in our department. That is not working for 2 years, and we are trying to
Sir, can you see my
make it
code?
up. Yes, yes. No, 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 no.
Sir, maybe network is. I share my entire screen.
Yes, it is. Again, it is not there. It is coming, and again to avoid infinite mirroring. Yes, yes. You keep it like this. Okay. So print care. So
Sir,
it is not readable. I think so. Your screen is little bit hazy. We cannot. So other students, can you just read it? I'm unable to read this.
Sir, which line?
So it is
Sir,
all
first
the
of all, I
lines.
think he's missing a new line, like a printf new line. 111, 121, and 1331 are being printed in the same.
yes, sir.
Print care. Okay, you just fix it. Fix that error. Actually, I cannot read. It's not coming to me clearly.
Where? Read.
Okay, I cannot read.
Cannot find mistakes. The
Like
line.
one new line character will be
Same line
added, like
printing.
printf new line.
But there is no /n.
Yes, that only. After the second loop, inside the nested loop, there are two loops. Inside the larger for loop, after the second one new line character should be added.
Print a \n is required there. Subhankar, so you give
Sir,
new
here.
line character there.
Yes, sir.
No. After the first loop.
After the second loop, sir.
The first one is for. Yes, I mean within the nesting. So you have printed space, and then after you have printed the characters. Yes, after the second loop, you print the spaces, then the numbers, then new line. So move your cursor there. Move your cursor there and put one \n there. Okay, Subhankar, I think you just put that \n and then try. So any
Yes,
other
sir.
student can share that assignment. Your screen for. I want to check the assignment once again. Or will I share? Okay, I'm sharing. I'm sharing. I'm sharing.
So you were telling something about the server that time.
Okay. So we'll go there actually. We have one in our department. There is 1.5 crore. So that is down for 2 years. If we can make it up, then from your home you will be able to use many facility. Okay, now now this one. So someone was telling about some confusion. Where is the confusion? In assignment number 6. So today I am facing network issues. Okay. Now you just which question is not clear to you?
7 and
Which
10.
one? 7. This one. Okay. Write a program in C to populate a 10 cross 10 matrix. Okay. It's a two-dimensional matrix. You know, you have to populate A with integers. So you just take some inputs to keyboard and populate that matrix. Okay. Now you have to check the values of each and every cells. Okay. Say for example A00. If the value is say greater than T, then you put modify, update that value with 1. Say for example T is say for example say 5. Okay, assume that T is 5. T is to be taken as input. Say T is 5 and say A00 is 10. So 10 is greater than equal to 5. So you replace 10 with 1. We call this as binarization. Okay, you make binary. So all the value will be replaced by either 0 or 1. Okay, binary. I mean, the 10 will be replaced by 1, 7 will be replaced by 1, 4 will be replaced by 0 because 4 is less than T, 5. So that threshold is to be taken as input. The threshold that is to be taken as input. So now, is there any confusion? Say, for example, A55 is say, for example, 9, and your threshold value that you have taken as input is 5. Then you replace that 9 with 1. Okay, now you got my point, na? So you have to run a loop for I equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Within that, for j equals to 0, j less than 10, j plus plus. If aij greater than t, aij equals to 1, else aij equals to 0. So that as simple as this. Now, is it clear to you, na?
Sir, we need to take 100 inputs from the user as integers.
Yeah, okay, that is that.
Yes, sir. 100 inputs.
Okay. That is, so you just reduce it to, say, for example, 4 cross 4. Okay, 16 inputs.
Okay, sir.
4 cross 4 and run the program. Okay. I know, I have not thought in that way. 100 inputs you have to take. Okay, you take it, or it may be you can generate a random number and can put that using a scan rand. You can use rand function and randomly you can populate that array. But okay, that is not required. You take it at 4 cross 4 and then do it. Okay, and then the next one you have confusion. This one or this 10. Okay, these are the matrices. You know, transpose of a matrix. Transpose. So write a menu-driven C program. That means you have to use switch case. Okay. So you are to print the menu, 1 transpose of a matrix, 2 addition of 2 matrices, and multiplication of 2 matrices. So a menu will print these options. Suppose you are there in some restaurant, you will you will get some menu card. You have to select one of the menu from that menu card. Okay. So similarly, using switch case, your case 1 will contain the, I mean, program code for program segment for transpose of a matrix. Case 2, I mean, that will be addition of 2 matrices, and case 3 will be this and like this, and default will be say any wrong choice, maybe, you know, switch case. So that is covered in your classes, na, theoretical classes. Switch case. Case.
Yes.
Okay, you use switch case, and in each of within each of the cases, I mean, case one, you have to write a code for transpose. You know transpose, how to find out the rows. You change the rows to columns and column to rows. That means Aij equals to Bji. Say the B in other case, say for example, B is the transpose of A. Then within that loop for I equals to 0 to some value, for j equals to some value, Bij equals to Aji. You just change the rows and column, then you will get the transpose. In addition, you know Cij
In
equals to
case of
Aij plus.
transpose, we have to take extra space or in that matrix only.
No. You take another matrix for you declare a say T for that. You declare say A, B, C, T, say S, then different matrices you declare at the beginning, and you take a say 4x4 matrix. I mean two matrices, one matrix say for example a single matrix say A, you find out the transpose of A using Bij equals to Aij, Bij equals to Aji, and this one Cij equals to Aij plus Bij, and then multiplication, you know how to multiply two matrices, multiplication, okay, you know the row and column. So you have to take one row and another column, multiply their position wise, and then add. You know, you check it from your the mathematics book how to, if you don't know the multiplication. So you take different matrices and save the values there, transpose values in one matrix, and for addition you take another third matrix, for multiplication you have to take another third matrix. Okay, so now I mean, where is the confusion? You tell me your confusion, then I will make it clear.
Sir, can you clear this? What is the meaning of menu-driven program?
Menu-driven means first you have to print some menu. Okay, so it will print some menu, and from that menu, so after printing that menu, you have to print enter your choice. Then okay, better I give you some hints. Okay, I should give you some hints. You see, I'm writing. Okay, so see, say for example, say menu like this. This is so simple example one. Say for example, then backslash in menu 2. Say what was the next addition? Backslash in 3 dot in multiplication. Okay, that's fine. That's up to this.
Sir, in this program also we can use a standard like 5x5 because the
That is not an issue. So you just take as per your convenience. Okay, not an issue. Not an issue. You take say 5, 3, whatever you like. Okay, okay. So, no problem. So you now say printf say en enter your choice. Now scanf %d say C. Then you go for switch case. Switch C case 1. So in this block you have to write that. Okay, you got my point now. You have to write that code for transpose of a matrix. Then break. I am not writing. You have to write that. Okay. Then case 2. You are to write the code for here. You have to write the code for addition of two matrices. Okay. And break. Then case 3. Case 3. Okay. Then you have to write the code for your whatever multiplication of two matrices. Okay. Then you know some default. Except say if you just enter any other value, then what you have to do? You have to print. You have to print here within default invalid input. Okay, invalid choice. If you enter 3, 4, you have 3 options 1, 2, 3. If you enter 4, then you have to print here that's in the default that invalid choice. Okay, invalid choice. So this switch is to be that must come here. Command V. Okay, like this. Now let me run the run. No, some mistakes up there. Where is that? Scanf %d ampersand is missing there. You see scanf, na? So ampersand now run df default. You have to write so this like this. I am just giving semicolon because I am not writing printf the wrong choice. I am not writing. You have to write printf wrong choice. But you see this menu appears like this. The menu is transpose of a matrix, addition of two matrices, multiplication of two matrices. Now, if I put say 2, what will happen? This case will be in action. Okay, case 2 will be in action. But I have not written any code there. You have to write the code there. You have to fill that. Okay, now it will show nothing, but the menu should be like this. Okay, now any other confusion?
Sir, is switch case, sir, is using switch case compulsory, or is if else block also okay?
Okay, that is not like that. The program you have your own option, but so try with switch case, and here you write the name of that function. Say for transpose TRANSPOAC, you write the name of the functions, whatever argument you want to give, you give, and you write a function for transpose, and here you write. So that's why I just keep it open. I mean blank. Then addition, you write the arguments there, and you write the addition at the end. So in this way, so that will be better for you. Now the program will be compact. The switch case will be there, and in each of the cases, one function is to be called. So this function is to be called here, another function is to be called here, and that function you just go for writing that after the main. Okay, and if you want to design it in other way, okay, you do it. I don't have any other problem. So any confusion? Any more confusion? If you have any other confusion, you can ask me.
Sir, actually, some of my batchmates are asking me to ask you to postpone this assignment by just one more day because many of our doubts are cleared right now. So we need some time.
Okay, I will do that. So I'll do that. Okay. So these two sortings you have to do yourself. If you fail to do that, I will just in the next lab I will explain these two sortings. Okay. I think in your theoretical classes these two have already been covered. I think so. And these are, you know, these. I just talked with your professor and he intimated that he has taken class on these two. Okay, these conversions, you have to do that. Okay, I am extending by 2 more days for this assignment. 1 more day. Okay, you are
Yes,
saying
sir. One more day will be fine.
Okay, I will extend it by 1 more.
Yes, sir. Because those two programs and some doubts.
Yes.
And sir, that one, that arrange one, we have to do in ascending or descending order.
So whatever you like,
Okay, sir.
Okay, you have to sort. Sorting means it may be in ascending or it may be in descending. Okay, I don't have it. It's a matter of changing a greater than sign to less than sign. So you know that, na? So, okay, you do so, and let me extend that date. Okay, you are saying you require 1 more day. Now I think your confusion is no more confusion, na?
Yes,
You
sir.
confirm me. Yes, then so this is the last extension of this assignment. So how many days you require? You tell me.
Sir,
Clearly,
1 day
or
is
2?
fine.
1 day. Okay, 1 day. I'll do it 1 day. Network is very slow here. Wi-Fi গুলো কন্ট্রোল করছে না? হ্যাঁ। Okay, you see, this is your classroom, introduction to and classwork. I think 2 more assignments. I will just mix structure and file into a single one. In that case, string and then structure and file in a single assignment. Okay, I will do that.
Okay, sir.
As per your performance. Okay, so if you can do more, I will be able to give more. It depends on your wish. Okay, if you want to learn more, it will be given to you. I will not force anything because you are not you are in the college level, right? University, you are studying in university, not in the school. So I must respect your, I mean, okay, not like that. Okay, so you are asking for extending by 1 more day. So now are you happy? All of you are happy? 4th March. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So you do it, eh? You do it. But take time, but you have to complete. Okay. In that case, I think we should conclude here. Huh? Okay. Now you can leave the meeting.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
go
Thank
to the
you, sir.
server room right now. Okay. Thank you, all of you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay, I'm leaving. Eh?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.